First I'm adding some oil and adding 2 to 3 clove in that and let it splutter a bit. Then I will add 2 cardamoms in that and let it splutter. Then I'll add some cinnamon sticks, some fennel seed and some bay leaf. One bay leaf is enough for this. Then I'll add red chili and let it splutter for a few seconds. Then I'll add 4 chopped onions and fry it till it changes its color to golden. So it's golden now and I will add mutton now. This is half kg mutton. Now I will fry this for 2-3 minutes in onion. Then I'll add ginger garlic and green chili paste in this. After adding ginger garlic and green chili paste, I'll again fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and then I'll add rest of the spices in this. Add tad bit of water and then stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Red chili powder according to your taste. We don't eat so much chili, so that's why I am adding it a very little bit over here. Half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of garam masala powder which I have prepared at home. Then fry it properly, give it a very good mix, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes properly. Then add water in this according to your preference. I don't add too much water because I want it like stew type. Then add salt according to your taste and then cover the lid. I'll wait for 1 whistle according to my cooker and then I'll keep it in steam for rest of the time. So this is the situation after opening the lid. I'll dry it a little bit. So I have added coriander over here. It will enhance the taste and it will add some aroma to the food. So it's all done and it's ready to serve. So this is the final result. Do try this at your home and it's really delicious. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for more such content. Thank you.